How to spot fake friends easily. Are you curious about the authenticity of your friendships? We've all been there, unsure if someone is genuine or playing a role. Today, we've got your guide to spotting fake friends with 10 practical ways rooted in everyday experiences and a touch of psychology. Whether it's detecting inconsistent behaviors or uncovering hidden motives, we are here to help you distinguish the real bonds from the fake ones. Ready to unravel the secrets of spotting a fake friend? Let's get started. Number 10. They don't keep their promises. Let's start with the 10th way. Not all broken promises are indeed intentional. But when someone repeatedly fails to deliver on their grand commitments, it raises doubts about the sincerity of their promises. Fake friends often make big assurances. They'll always be there for you, help with projects, and stand up for you. But when it matters, they fall short. This inconsistency between words and actions is a classic sign of a fake friend, indicating a lack of respect for your feelings and time. Authentic friendships thrive on trust and reliability. So, if promises are consistently broken, it's a red flag that their friendship might not be genuine. Number 9. They spill your secrets fast. Alright, let's break it down. Trust is like the foundation of a good friendship. You spill your secrets to your friends because you trust them to keep it down low. But here's the scoop on fake friends. They might not handle your private stuff with the care it deserves. Nope, they could turn it into juicy gossip without batting an eye, not giving a second thought to your feelings or privacy. Sure, gossip can sometimes bring people together and set the vibe, but that's not cool when it comes at the cost of someone's trust. So, if you catch wind that a so-called friend has been babbling your secrets, it's time to hit the pause button and ask yourself if they're a friend. Because a true friend, they get how important trust is, and they'd never put it at risk just for a bit of gossip. Number 8. They're always so negative. The next way to identify fake friends is they are always so negative. We all have days when we feel a bit low or negative. Well, with fake friends, they've set up camp in negativity land. Imagine someone who can find a dark cloud on the sunniest day. Even during the happiest times, they manage to bring the mood down. Initially, you might try to be understanding, thinking they're going through a tough time. But as time passes, you realize this is their default mode. Dealing with constant negativity is super draining. It can turn a friendship into a toxic situation where you're always getting pulled down instead of lifted up. So, remember that a true friend is all about bringing joy and positivity into your life, not just a never-ending stream of negativity. Stay positive, folks. Number 7. They don't spend time with you. Let's talk about something super important. Time. It's like this precious gift that really shows where our hearts are. Now, a genuine friend, they're time wizards. No matter how crazy busy they are, they find a way to make time for you. But then, there's the fake friend drama. Making time for you feels like it's at the bottom of their to-do list. Plans get canceled, and when you're excited to hang out, they're suddenly off the grid. Ever notice you're the one always reaching out? And they only show up when it's super convenient for them? That's a classic sign of a one-sided friendship, my friend. Here's the real talk. You're worth someone's time, and you shouldn't let anyone make you feel like you're not. If you're getting the short end of the stick when it comes to time and attention, don't settle for it. You deserve a friendship where it's a two-way street. Number 6. They won't have your back. Let's dive into another way to identify fake friendships, where you know you won't have someone defending you when you're not around. A fake friend won't stand up for you when things get rough. Real friendship, it's about having your buddy's back through thick and thin. Now, think about your social circle. How many friends would actually step up and fight for your honor? Who'd speak out when others gossip about you and either shut it down or walk away? Take a moment to really think about it. That's how you'll figure out who your true friends are. Friendship boils down to loyalty and respect. A good friend won't join the crowd in tarnishing your name behind your back. It takes guts to speak up when it's tough and when it means going against the flow. That, my friend, is the real deal regarding friendship. Number 5. They gossip about people. Ever found yourself in that moment of sharing some spicy gossip, feeling like you're in on the inside scoop? Well, here's the kicker. When it turns into a regular thing, especially at the expense of others, it's a significant sign of a fake friend. Think about it. If someone's always dishing out gossip about others to you, it's just a matter of time before the spotlight turns on you. Not the most comforting thought, huh? This gossiping habit isn't just harmless chatter. It's actually harmful, showing a real lack of respect for people's privacy. So, real friends, they treasure and respect each other's trust. No using shared secrets as currency for social gain or spreading rumors. Number 4. They compete instead of supporting. A little friendly competition can motivate us to improve and reach for more incredible things. But in friendship, too much competition can be a downer. Here's the deal. Friendship isn't a race. It's this incredible bond of mutual respect and admiration. So, if someone's always trying to outdo you instead of being your cheerleader, it might be time for a friendship check. Real friends throw a party for your success. Your achievements aren't a threat. They're a reason to celebrate. Now, a fake friend might react a bit differently. They could downplay your wins, sneak in passive-aggressive comments, or even try to top your achievements. Not the most supportive vibe, right? Time to surround yourself with friends who lift you up and value you for who you are. Number 3. They make you feel bad about yourself. Ever noticed fake friends with a bunch of insecurities? They tend to act in ways that bring you down, making you feel not so great about yourself. Why? Well, their sneaky goal is to shift the focus away from their own weaknesses. But here's the twist. By making you feel like you're not up to snuff, they hope to take the reins and control the whole friendship game. Yep, they're pros at planting those seeds of self-doubt, trying to make you rely on their approval. Wait, there's more. Fueled by jealousy or a competitive streak, a fake friend might try to chip away at your self-esteem when you're rocking those success vibes. Why? Because their own feelings of inadequacy drive them to knock your confidence down a notch, all in an attempt to feel superior in the friendship. So, it is time to keep your circle filled with friends who build you up, not tear you down. Number 2, they don't respect your limits. Imagine a time when someone needed space to deal with personal stuff. They clarified it to their friends, but this person couldn't get the memo. Constant calls, text, even showing up uninvited. It felt like their boundaries were invisible. Not cool, right? In a good friendship, respecting personal boundaries is a big deal. We all have comfort zones, need space, and value privacy. It's all about giving each other that room. But now, picture a fake friend. They might totally skip over those boundaries, pushing you into things you're uncomfortable with, or ignoring how you feel is not what real friends do. Keep it real, folks, and respect each other's space. Number 1, they always take but never give back. And lastly, the most crucial way to spot a fake friend is when it's all take and no give. Friendships are like a dance of giving and taking, right? But with these fake friends, it's more of a one-sided show. They're quick to accept your help and enjoy your generosity, but are nowhere to be found when you need support. They're only in it for what they can get, not because they genuinely enjoy your company. So keep those peepers peeled for this kind of behavior. A true friend doesn't keep a score, but there should be a balance in the friendship scale. If it feels like you're doing all the giving and they're just doing the taking, it's time to ask if this is a real friendship or not. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks a ton for watching.